There are many reasons why users want to call from a hidden number, either to preserve their privacy or for protection reasons. In addition, hiding the call is used to call those users who at some point have blocked calls from their phone number. The way to hide the number on an Android phone may vary, depending on the type of device you have, but usually all the same or similar steps are followed. These are the general steps. The first option is to change the call settings. In the settings option, press Hide ID. At that time, a box will appear that clarifies if your cell phone is set by default by the operator. After selecting it, you will have to restart the computer. You can also make a number combination. #31 hashtag should be dialed on your cell phone followed by the contact number. In other cases, you should ask your operator to activate calls in hidden mode. Depending on the provider and their type of policies, you can have the option either free or pay a monthly fee for it. In Android, you must open the phone application. Press the button of the options of 3 points. Select Settings, then in Additional Settings or in More Settings. Within this, the call option will appear. Show My Caller ID, and once you enter, select Hide Number. To hide your number from an iPhone, you must open the Settings option and go to the Phone section. Within this option, you have to select Show Caller ID and uncheck the tab to prevent the number from being reflected in the screens of other users when we make a call.